I'm sure you've heard the news. Volcanoes are Earth's fiery fountains. But how do they really work? Picture this. Deep under the Earth's crust, there's a bubbling molten rock soup called magma. As it heats up, it rises like a hot air balloon. When pressure builds up in the magma chamber, it looks for a way out. Imagine shaking a soda can. Eventually it has to burst. And that's when things get explosive. The magma pushes through cracks in the Earth's surface, creating a dramatic eruption of lava, ash and gas. Boom! Some eruptions are gentle oozes, while others, total fireworks show. So, the next time you think of a volcano, remember, it's all about magma, pressure and a whole lot of heat. Nature's fury unleashed right before your eyes. Stay curious and keep exploring.